Hello. Welcome to Accurate Trade. This is where you make automate your trade. So today I want to looking at um our expert advisor uh, that will make you trade can automate your trade. It's a very powerful EA. We have a webinar last month, and today we're going to be doing a live trading on the EA. So, but we'll start. You got to see it a complex instrument and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. You should consider whether you understand how CFDs work and whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. Information contained in this material is of general nature only and uh, and this for your educational purpose, so it's not financial advice. So we are only demonstrating what I do to earn profit. So do your own research. So before I go on, let's dive into what we call expert advisors. Expert advisor is enable you to trade. It enables you to trade from the live webinar. You should follow through their videos. You see how what if you don't understand. If you are seeing it the first time, the first time about EA, then you got to understand that EA is called robot. That EA automate your trade and enable you to trade without emotions. Yeah. So now we're going to look at how we are going to attach the EA on the chart. So basically, uh, so now how are we going to attach EA to the chart? So we don't need any indicator. We don't need any analysis. You know, all you need is you to do a pure analysis. With what we've taken here, we've taken some positions already. We've taken some positions on 20 pairs on our based on analysis. I've taken one USD, one USD buy. So now you can see already in profit. So right now I'm going to attach the I've attached Euro USD. Now this Euro USD, attach Euro USD. So right now I'm going to go to the right on the MetaTrader 4. Go to check out your expert advisors. Then open see EA. Check out the EA for accurate investment. EA. Then look at it again. Click on right click and click on add to charts. Then you click on add to charts. See various settings. But make sure you allow live trading, because if you don't allow live trading, you see many error popping out. See, but if you allow live trading, it enables the EA to trade live without without interruption. So, and what does it do? Easy A, it does not trade aggressively. It has control. So it work with your pure analysis. You work with open orders. That's open positions. That's pending orders. So what do you need to do? We have everything we needed. We have our take profits. We have our stop loss. See? Alright. So right now we're going to set our take profit. At the we are going to leave it at for this video we're going to leave it at 1000 2000. That's 200 pips. So our stop loss is 1000. That's 100 pips. You have a trading stop. Trading stop is used when the market reverse and then you want to take partial profit. So we set our trading stop. Now we have this is very important. We have lot type. We have multiple, but we are not. If you choose multiple, that means the EA will open different loss size. Like you can see here, see 0.2. So if you choose multiple, it opens choose 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, $1, so on and so forth. But you don't want to do that because of your account size. You don't want to do that. You don't need to take big loss size before you make it with the EA. The EA itself activate the trade when the market, when the price moves. So what in this video I recommend fixed loss size. You also have customer loss size, customer your loss size, but I recommend fixed loss size. So why I choose loss size, it make this multiplier that does not work. Multiplier work with multiple. When I choose multiple, there is multiply my loss size according to this customer loss size. But right now, as I choose my fixed loss size, it only works with my fixed loss size 0.01. But on this video, I'm going to be using 0.01. Please note 0.01 because um, every trade you take carry a risk, and you try to reach at least 1% of your account. Don't lose more. Don't plan to lose what you can afford to lose. So use 0.01 video. If you have bigger account size, you can use 0.02 cents. So but meanwhile, let's look at now we have our magic number. This is the magic number. This is the number that shows when you trade when you open a penny orders. You have a buy grid settings. You have a number of grid buy. This number of grid buy is the number of buy orders. So now I'm going to take on this video I'm going to take positions for buy orders. Then we have a grid spacing point buy. This is space between the buy and the sell. So we also sell grid setting. We also have the number of grid sell. Now this number of grid sell is number of sell open orders. Like I'm going to take, I can take one, I can take two, sell. Let me use one. Let me use one or two. Let me use two. It's fine. So right now, right now I'm done. All I need to do is okay. Then you open orders. So I want you to watch out and see. So see, but okay. On this video, you see it's also open penny orders. Open penny orders. You know what we do? Let's take a position of 1 cent and see because we're supposed to have let's do the lot size there. That's right. Lot size. Okay, let me accept. Okay, give me permission to trade. Okay, so let's see what happens to our. You see, it's moving. We'll be sure to open a penny order for us. Penny orders. Okay, let's open the position and let's see. Okay, now let's open a pan JPY. While it's going, let's open a pan JPY, a pan USD, Okay. All right. So now let's change the time frame. What is? Let's see. What is by line? Okay. Now let's see candlestick. Let's attach the EA. Go to the EA and attach. Now attach further to pan JPY. So now let's change this to the profit. Then our stop loss. Don't forget multiple should be fixed loss size. Then also the next your fixed loss size should be 0.1. This video for this trade we are using 0.01. Then for buy, we already have some position running. I will take one position for buy. So sell, we have one position for sell. So this spacing point is the space between buy and sell. So now we are going to take this and let's see from here. Okay, so you can see the grid. So why we are not having orders? Why are we any order? Because markets because we expecting more news. So on this video we're going to do we in the second video we have when market is really active, really has the market is open but really is the Asia session. So we expect more move in the market for the EA to pick more trade. Pick more trade. Meanwhile, we are going to look at let's try and take a position and see. So, in a nutshell, we are going to come back and look at other ways we are going to activate our trade. So when market moves, you're going to open penny orders for Euro USD and Pound USD. You can see the grid. It's already running. You can see our balance. See our equity. This is spread. You can see the margin. So that tells you this is a live trade. A live trade on the EA. So now also Pound USD we are expecting the EA to open the penny orders. So let us hold on. So at the end of this video, you're going to bring that you're going to open any orders for Pan USD. Right. In the next video, we will look at let's see. Thank you.